And we've got some details coming in of the Supreme Court panel report in the Sandeshkhali violence. Sources telling India today that the Supreme Court panel has recommended President's rule in West Bengal. The panel has mentioned that there is a complete breakdown of law and order in the state. The panel has also said the accused should be tried under this is the scheduled caste panel, I beg your pardon, not the Supreme Court panel, my mistake. The panel also says the accused should be tried under Scheduled Castes and Scheduled Tribes Prevention of Atrocities Act. So this was the Scheduled Caste panel, remember, that had visited Sandeshkhali a couple of days ago and had conducted its own ground investigation. This Scheduled Caste panel has recommended President's rule in West Bengal, has observed a complete breakdown in law and order in the state after looking at what's happening in Sandeshkhali, and it says the accused should be tried under the Scheduled Castes and Scheduled Tribes Prevention of Atrocities Act. Okay, I want to go across now to India Today's Shweta Singh, our managing editor, who's been at Sandeshkhali. She's been, she visited there just a short while ago. She's still very close there. Shweta, what did this is a story that has become clouded in very, very tense and angry politics. We don't even know for sure if a proper investigation has happened. The police has said, no allegations have been, leveled officially with them, etc. But we've seen these victims on our cameras. What did you see when you were there?
So, Shiv, when we have to go to Sandeshkhali, it's a long, long way. Just 75 kilometers from Kolkata. But I travelled by road, then I travelled by a boat, and then I travelled by a rickshaw inside the village. So it might be just 75 kilometers, but it's actually 3 hours away. That is to say, if you get the ferry at the right moment, the boat at the right moment. When I went there, and especially when I had heard the political parties actually mudslinging and the TMC and specifically the Chief Minister raising questions on those women, I was a little apprehensive that perhaps I will have to actually go looking for those women specifically who have made these allegations. But to my surprise, whichever part of the village I went to, while the women covered their entire face and they were really, really scared of speaking in front of camera, they were really scared of having their identity go out, all of them spoke about the atrocities. All of them spoke about the atrocities that had been committed. There were some who did say that, yes, we did not go there, but our family was targeted after that. Even now we are scared because they might recognize a wall behind us, and probably as soon as the media goes away or as soon as the central forces go away, we might be targeted. So all the women gave the same story. I went to the tribal part of the village. I met the Dalits. I met people of every income group. And all of them had the same story, Shiv. I think this needs to be investigated, and fairly so.
And we're hoping that we, are going to continue to put pressure on a fair and free investigation, which is becoming less and less likely given what's going on over there.